Okay guys, so this is the video where I'm going to explain which supplies need to be refrigerated, what to look for on the supplies, and I'm just going to try to familiarize you guys with them. Okay, so this right here, this is the TPN bag. This is where you're going to inject these two multivitamins and then the thiamine into it. So when you get the TPN bag out of the refrigerator, it will always be in the cheese drawer. When you get it out, you need to make sure that Grandpa's name is on it, right there, Martinez Robert, because you want to make sure that it's his and he didn't actually, get it mixed up with someone else. So then if you flip it over, also I want to make it clear that before I made this video, I bleached this entire spot, I bleached the preparation mat, and I also have sterile gloves on. Okay, so if you look at the bottom of the TPN bag, you'll see 3 ports. So the port on the far right has a green clamp on it. Just remember that you're never going to be using this port. You don't need to touch it. You don't even need to think about it. Because the pharmacist, he or she's the only one who's going to be using that port. The center port, this is for when you're spiking the bag. And you'll understand that terminology once you watch the further instruction video. It's going to be you poke one into it basically, and then that's what goes into Grandpa. So that's how it flows into Grandpa, is through the center port. And then the port on the far left, that's where you're going to be injecting this thiamine and then these 2 multivitamins. Okay, and now moving on to these bags right here. They're empty right now because I took the contents out of them. So before I emptied them, one of the bags had these 2 multivitamins in them. This one did. See? 10 milliliters. So these are each 5 milliliters. Together they make 10. Just remember that. And then the thiamine, it says right there that this is where it's from. Okay? Okay. And with the TPN bag, just remember that you need to take it out an hour before it's time to administer it to Grandpa. So say he needs to get it changed at 8 o'clock at night, 8 p.m. Then you would take the bag out at 7 p.m. so it can warm up a little bit, because if it's too cold, he's going to get chilly and it's going to be uncomfortable when it goes into his veins. Okay.